Are you recording, yeah? Let me see. Right, I'm only in from work and I'm at getting a package, yeah? I'm that excited. I had me mad out and all fucking doing the doing the camera, yeah? So we'll go with it. I never get freebies, you know? So we'll give this a go. I'm 29 years of age. You think I'd be settling down, having a gaff, bored, kids, all that jazz. No, I had me ma video and me getting tools instead, so. This is Velocity, yeah? They reached out to me there the other week. Said they want to send me a few bits now. They asked me to be an ambassador now. We're in negotiations. I don't particularly want to be an ambassador for anyone. I'm not signing no contracts at all. So look at them, yeah. Savage. The gear is 10 out of 10 now, I do have to say. Look at the packaging now. Said this was Louis Vuitton or something, wouldn't you? Brown Thomas. So I'm about to go for a run, but I couldn't resist opening this. I'm at been talking shite on the phone to people about work. And I had these packages and I've been, oh, look at that thing. Size of him. That's on me rails for the best tool, yeah? That great, man. Look, give it the camera and all. Look, you again. Go on, Martina. This now, I'm excited about this thing. I'm at the saying that lunch bag, yeah. I didn't ask for that. And he says, do you want that in particular? I says, look, I just fuck that in. And then on the story the other day, I seen they had lunch bags. And I was like, no way, I'm liking that. So I was flat with liking all the lunch bag stuff. Get out of here. Irish crowd, I don't know, they're up north. It's fucking 50-50 whether they're Irish or English, you know what I mean? I don't know. Look at that. It's not a lunch bag, no. It's not a lunch bag. It's just a bag. It's still cracking. Garrett picked the wrong time to go to Australia, didn't he? Huh? Might send her over in the post. See how we get on. So we have a bag, it is a fucking rail bag. Me language, yeah? I have to watch my language, man. What way did you raise me? Huh? No respect. Little bollocks. They can't hear you, yeah? They'd be nice on the old tool belt or something, you know, for fixings. Yeah, with me, lads. 3 different sizes. Gloves, lovely. I won't be using them. I don't label on the cabinet. Stick them to one of the apprentices. Filling skips. Or else, this is another nice little pouch. Look at, they're going to be deadly on the nice little hook. Grab me pouch. Bag on me. I'll stick it on. Look at that. There's a few bob in that. A few quid now. With the contract. Product care. They're actually, do you know what they're doing, yeah? They're putting trackers in the bags so your tools can't get robbed. I actually want them to keep an eye on the lads, so I know if the lads are mitching on it. I'll be taking the trackers out of the bag and sticking them in the lads' cars when they're not known. So Lark and Dan, they're all just, you know the gig, yeah? With these bags coming around, you know the story. Ooh. That's nice, I like that. Might cut that into a tank top tomorrow. Rocket. Right, so that's everything in that box, yeah? We have another one. Give me nails. Jesus Christ. Look at that thing. That's like a rucksack. You do the Wicklow way in this thing. Camping. Size of it. Who the fuck is that a backpack? It's a suitcase. Do you see the size of it? You can, yeah, bollocks. Have it. I can't even get the bag off. Ah. I'm getting frustrated now. Ah! It's like... Look at this thing. What the fucking size of it? You wouldn't even get that in the van. Huh? Why had to buy a van to suit me? Look at that. Is that nice, mammy? Yeah. Right. That's all me freebies. I'm not getting spoiled. I thought I was getting a lunch bag though, so I might get that in the next one, huh? We'll see. Right. No reviews, no nothing. I just show off what I'm getting. I'll let you know how I get on. The gear's 10 out of 10. I'm going to have no issues with it. Like, look at it. Savage. Zoom in there, Martina. Go on, get the angles. Go on. Lovely. Do the 0.5. Lovely. Right. That's us out here. I'm going to be run. Thank you, Velocity, for the gear, yeah? Good luck.